Okay, guys, how are they? So, welcome to video two of the um, preceding the video one, where I said I'm going to show you how to design a blog with a long read blog with Google Blogspot. So, in video two, I want us to work on that same article. I already did copy and paste. I copied this article here. This is one of my articles. So, I copied this content and I just pasted it here. Okay, and I updated it. So just don't mind all these things. The images that I copied from the Microsoft Word file. It's not going to appear, but I have to re-upload it. So this is the new article now. Now you can see, look at all these things. They are linked. You understand? They are linked to my WhatsApp group. So when somebody is reading on this article now and he clicks on this stuff, it takes him to my WhatsApp group. Do you understand? If somebody is reading on this, if he clicks on this, it takes him to my WhatsApp group. In the former video, I showed you link how to hyperlink text to your WhatsApp group or wherever you want to send it. If you don't want to send it to your WhatsApp group, you can actually just even send it to your private WhatsApp. You understand? But it's best to just send them to a group. You can see. So this is what happens when people visit my own blog, victoragina.com, and they are reading the article. So when they see this, when they click on it, it just takes them straight to my WhatsApp group. Do you understand? So that's basically it. But now I want us to work on something. This is not the only post we are going to be making on this blog, and it wouldn't be nice having like very, very, very lengthy posts. If you're using a posted WordPress blog, it tends to give you like a summary of the text. Then when you click on the title, it takes you to the full this. But we can do that here. We don't want to have like very, very long, lengthy posts. We can actually cut the article because over time we'll be posting more articles. So let us cut it from here where it says that you need to know about this wonderful company. So read on. So let us do something here. We're going to cut this article from here. Okay. Did you see the icon I clicked on? This one. So when you click on updates now, see what is going to happen. Alright. Did you see what happened now? We've succeeded in making this article short so that when you post another article, you have space instead of just having like very long articles. But when somebody wants to click on this one now, if he clicks on the article, if he clicks on read more, it now takes him to the full article. Do you understand my point? You understand what I'm trying to explain, right? So look at it. Here is the full article. Do you get? You just need to play around with this stuff. It's not rocket science. Now let's go back to this. So let's say we're done with this. I want to create a new post. Let's click on new post. Now, what should we write about? Let's see. Um, everything you need to know about the Longrich VIP account. Okay, let's see if we can see an article VIP account. Let's see if we can see any article. Mm, let's see if we can copy this person. Okay, benefits of Longrich Platinum VIP account. Okay, let's see, this person has already done justice to this article, so let's just copy it. Don't go about copying people's content, oh, please. If you want to use somebody else's article to copy it like this, make sure you link back to the person's blog. If you're not linking back, then try and edit it. Try and edit the article. Edit it in your own words. Rewrite it in your own words. Don't just go and copy somebody's stuff. I'm just using this for the sake of this tutorial because I just want to be able to post stuff. You understand? Now, this is the article copied and we've pasted. We also want to shorten this stuff. So let's shorten it from here. Let's shorten it from here. Okay. Now don't forget the labels. Longrich VIP accounts. What I tell you about this label stuff, it helps you to rank. Longrich VIP, Longrich Business, Longrich Biosciences, etc. Just look for anything Longrich and post it there. So reader comments, allow people to comment. Show all these things, just leave it the way it is and publish. Okay. So publish our second article. Let's go back to our blog now and see what's up. You see it? So the first one that you publish will go down, then a new one will be on top. Okay? See what's happening here. This text is bigger. Let's go and edit it. Let's go and edit this text. You want everything to be uniform. You want to have some text bigger than others. So you have the option of to change the text. You can minor heading. You can change the make it normal. You understand? You can use normal. Okay? So you can use whatever text, whatever font that you want to use. If you want to use Korea, you want to use Times New Roman, anyone you want to use, but just make sure you are using the same text and the same font. You understand? You are using the same text, the same font, the same size. Alright, you see, you have the second article there. Okay, okay. So this is how you keep on updating your blog. Remember, when you do this and when you keep on searching for like keywords, for different keywords that you can use, you can use any keyword and write these articles. Make sure whatever you are writing there, Longrich Business. See another one, how to grow a Longrich business. You can use this as you can use this keyword to write an article. You understand? Just make it look natural. Just make it feel natural. Do you understand? So that's just basically it. So you can go ahead and start working on your own free blog. It's free. Let's even see something. If you want to make an image to appear here, let's edit the first one. Let's edit this first one. Let's say you want an image to appear at the you want an image to appear. Let's choose this image. I don't know why this stuff is not. Let's see what we can use. Yes, so we can use this one. So, I think there's a problem with this stuff, though. I was trying to see if we can add the picture. There's a problem with it, but if you want to add a picture, if you want the picture to show up at the beginning of the article, or let's say you even want a video to show up, let's copy this one of code below. Let's say you want a video to appear at the beginning of your article at the front. Look at it. So you see that video that I'll post now. So you can actually just get one video from YouTube, slap it on there. They can just click here to watch. You understand? Then go ahead to read the article. So this is basically how to create a blog, your own long read blog using the Blogspot. If you don't have money to set up the fully hosted WordPress blog, you can just use this while you make money from the business, and then you can now upgrade. As a matter of fact, if you want to use a custom domain for this stuff, you want to buy a domain for like $10 or something. So that instead of having longrichpartner.blogspot.com, it can be longrichpartner.com. You can do that. Okay, you can do that. So this is just basically it. This is just basically it. If you want to change the theme, if you don't like that theme that we used, if you want to change the theme, guys, you have like different themes. Okay, You have different themes. You can choose any of the theme. Let's see if we can play around with this one. Let's see. Apply. Let's see. Okay. So the new theme has been applied. Let's see what the new theme is going to give to us. So this is it. You now start. You need to start, customizing again. Do you understand? You need to start customizing and playing around the elements because it's different from that one. So just pick one theme from the outset, and if you want to customize this, you have the option to customize it. You have the option to customize the background, advanced, and all that, but you don't really need to go through all this stress. Just pick something simple. Just pick something simple. Let's see if we can go back to the. Let's see. We can go back to the former one that we selected. I can't remember the name. Let's see. I think it is. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you see, it has changed. So this is just basically it. This is how you can create your free blog, and I hope you actually make use of this tutorial. It wouldn't be nice for me to put up this stuff and then you're not doing anything. So you can get working. You can start building your business with this. You can start posting articles, videos on YouTube. And when you post a video on YouTube, you can simply just link back to your article so that when people click through and they join, when they click through and they read your article, when they click through, they read your article. Let's say they read this article and they click on the link, takes them to a WhatsApp page. So like clicking on this one now takes you to my WhatsApp page. See, Victor Longrich. So when they click on join chat, they just join. So that's basically it. I'm going to be ending this tutorial right now. If you have a question, any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment box if you're watching the video on YouTube. So all right. Okay, stuff. Let's control now.